Welcome to this Fusion video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be going over batch printing. What batch printing is good for is to print a predefined number of views at one go, meaning that you don't have to print all your views one by one, and this can help save time. To set up batch printing, the first thing that we need to do is to set predefined named views in our plan, elevations and perspectives. I have done named views in a previous tutorial, which you can view on our blog. To set up for batch printing, we need to go to our Edit, User Preferences. In the User Preferences, we have the batch printing option. Right now, I don't have any batch sets name available, so I need to create a new one. I just need to give it a name. I'm going to call this new batch set, and we click OK. What will happen is we've given this new window where we have all our defined named views along with all the currently installed reports. What we need to do now is select the views that we wish to print, and for this example I'm just going to select plan. I can add it individually, or I can also click on an object, hold Control on my keyboard and select multiple items at one go. By clicking add, these will be added in for our batch set. In this window, it explains which view we have available, what the orientation of the paper is, and whether it's going to be printed to paper or printed to file. If we want to change the orientation, I'm going to just change these four. I can select all of them by holding down Control and selecting them individually, and click the Change Orientation button. We can see orientation now changes to landscape. Once we're happy with our selections, we just click OK and we select OK again, and this will save our batch set. We can now go to our file menu. I'm going to use the print preview option and print preview batch set. It gives us different options, so we could have numerous batch sets available. Select preview and this will open up our print preview screen. There we have our first view, which is the plan view, and you can see I have my info block set because I saved this name view with the info block, and it shows my scale 1:20. We have one of 5 pages. If I click next, it will bring the next view, which is my elevation. Next page will be elevation number 2. Perspective number 1. Okay, I'm going to close this window. Now that batch set, if I go back to my user preference window, this batch set will remain there for future use. What we need to do, if I click on the edit option, if we create a new design and in that design we just rename our perspectives and elevations exactly the same, then there's no need to recreate a new batch set. This batch set we'll be able to use in a new design if we just make sure that we define perspective 1 and perspective 2 the same name, PRS1, PRS2. We can use any names we wish. Thank you for watching this tutorial.